Hey, what's going on? It is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Today in the media, obviously, this whole coronavirus thing is getting really, really out of hand. And I would say, prior to today, I've known about it. I just haven't really taken it to heart. Like it's this serious. But I think today is the day I realized, okay, maybe this is more serious because, sometimes you learn to say that, okay, the media, they make money off controversy, right? They're not going to get any ratings by just talking about, happy puppy news all day. That's just not the way it works. Yeah, this is getting kind of crazy. I was at Walmart today and I'm just walking around. I'm listening to my podcast. I'm messaging people that are interested in some of the programs that I've been promoting on YouTube. And it's like I felt this weird sense when I was walking in Walmart and when I went through the aisle with the toilet papers and the paper towels, and it's like bare. Then I went to the next aisle with the hand soaps and the sanitizers and the Lysol and all that, and it's not there. And it's just like, okay, people are actually buying into this. So do you want to be the person that's like, oh, I don't believe it, and I'm not going to be prepared for it? Or are you going to be the person that said, just in case this might be true, let me go buy a couple of cases of water, let me go buy some canned food stuff in the event that I have to stay home for a little while? And while we're on that topic, think about it. If you have a job that says, listen, it's not safe to come to work right now, we're going to let people work from home. If you're lucky to have one of those type of jobs, it's a nice time to look into other options too. Look into a plan B for your income to, supplement the family and stuff. Always prepare for that rainy day, right? So, anyways, so that's not how my day started. I should actually share my screen. So my day started actually really good. I got this email at 4:48 in the morning. Not that I woke up at 4:48, but when I woke up at about 8 o'clock, I looked at my phone alert and I had a little phone message that says, you have a $250 commission. So I was stoked. Why? Because this is part of my mentor, David Dekel's new program, which is called Profits Passport. And this is an amazing new system that he's created. He never ceases to amaze me when he makes these systems. And this is just another one of these amazing done for you systems where David literally does all the work. His videos do all the hand holding, guides them through the entire process. All you need to do is just get people to your page. So I'm telling you right now, this works. I didn't do any paid traffic. This actually came from my YouTube video. Somebody saw a YouTube video and signed up. So let's get to the point. This is the bonus that I'm going to do for you guys. If you join through my link and you join one of the three programs, because I realize some of you might already be in Easy1Up, okay? So if you join me in either Easy1Up so let's see, yeah. So if you join me in Easy1Up at the $250 level or higher, or you join me in FunnelX Advanced or ROI Panel, those are three programs that are part of this funnel. If you join me in one of those three programs, I will take your link and I'll put it in a rotator with my link. So the next time I do a YouTube video on this topic, when people click on that link, it'll either be my link or your link or, whoever else takes me up on this offer. It'll rotate between our links. That way, you can potentially get sales from my video and the traffic that it is providing, okay? So I wanna do that to help you guys out. I think it'd be a cool bonus. Another bonus, which right now it sounds really stupid to say that, hey, by the way, I'm gonna give you a free vacation when nobody's going anywhere because they're so damn scared of this virus. But at some point the virus will pass, right? And you'll have a free vacation waiting for you. So that's another thing I'm going to give you guys is a free vacation. It's one of several different amazing places. So anyways, let's take a look at, this is the capture page that you'll get. This is the page that you're going to send traffic to or give to friends or whatever, however you do it. This is where you want to guide people to, right? Even if you do direct mail, which is what I'm going to do. Even if I send out flyers and postcards, the whole point is to get them back to this page. I'll probably go to Namecheap or GoDaddy and register an easy to remember domain because obviously this is too much. So I'll take this link and I'll redirect it from a shorter link that'll look really good like on a postcard, like I do for some of my other businesses. The whole point is once they put in their email address, David takes over from there. His videos guide him through the whole process. You're out of the equation at that point. You literally do not have to do anything. That's what I like about this system. It's not one of these systems where you have to like manage your team and this and that. I mean, you can, but the reality is David's videos literally walk them through the entire process. So if you've been in Easy1Up and you've struggled with it or you haven't made that much money, I really suggest that you get into this program, because David's system will take your Easy1Up along with a couple of other programs and make this super funnel where from one person you can get 3, 4, commissions, because there's so many programs that are linked to it. It is an amazing system. And once you opt in, you'll be able to check out the whole thing. All right, so that's pretty much it for this. Like I said, what are the bonuses? The bonuses, I will take your link. So just this link like here, yours with your affiliate link, and I'll put it in a rotator with my link. That way, when somebody clicks on my rotator link, it'll either be my link or your link or whoever else takes me up on this offer, right? So I'm going to be doing more videos on this. I'm going to be doing more case studies. So people are going to be able to click on that link, and you could potentially get a sale from my work. I'm doing the video, I'm driving the traffic, but you could potentially get a sale from that. And like I said, on top of that, you'll get a free vacation too. It's a free hotel stay at one of several beautiful resort properties. Some of them are overseas. Many of them are in the United States: Orlando, Las Vegas, Branson, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, just some really cool ones. Then there's some in Mexico, some in Thailand, whatever the case may be, is you'll get a free vacation, okay? And there's some other perks that you'll get as well. And plus you'll get to be working with me. You'll be in my Facebook group. You'll learn a lot of other things in there. I want to teach people a lot of internet marketing strategies, and then offline marketing strategies too. That's the great thing about this program, is if you said that, hey, Nick, I'm not really much of a techie person. I don't want to sit there, build funnels, this and that. It's like, okay, if I design you a postcard, can you lick a stamp and put it on it and put it in the mail? Of course you can, right? So that's going to be another perk. Okay, that's going to be another bonus. If you join me, you will get access to my flyers and postcards too. So you don't have to design your own. Okay, because David's system doesn't have those things. I have those things. Okay, because I do those for other businesses. I will design a specific postcard for this business so you can start mailing out. And for those of you that are a little bit tech savvy, then great. I've been a solo ad vendor for over 5 years. I'll teach you how to buy solo ads. I'll teach you how to build your list, how to do your email follow-ups, okay? So there's a lot of benefits to joining me. And like, if you've seen my past videos, David Dekel, the person that made this funnel, he is my actual coach. He was my very first coach online. He was the first person to take me to a 6-figure income. It is because of him that I was able to quit my job and pursue this full time. So I actually have a personal story. And if you go watch some of my videos, there's one that's like about 45 minutes. It's the whole story about, how I met David and how that all happened. Don't want to rehash it all here, but I can post a link in the description area so you can check that out. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Like I said, I got my first sale today. I just started promoting it a couple of days ago. You can look at my YouTube videos. I literally just started promoting it last week. Haven't done any paid traffic, haven't sent out any postcard. This first sale came from YouTube. So that'll tell you that when you're in that link rotator with me and we start picking up traffic, we start syndicating that video more sales are going to come in, and they don't all have to be me, because if you join me on this adventure, then you can make those sales too. All right. So join me in Easy1Up. If you're already in Easy1Up, then we'll work something out if you join me in FunnelX Advanced or in ROI Panel. All right. So anyways, this is Nicholas Lyle from Dallas, Texas. Please wash your hands, be safe. And, you don't have to shake everybody's hand. Just do what us Indians do. Just go namaste and, greet people. Just take care right now, because who knows? I mean, maybe this thing is real. Maybe this thing is, going to get really out of hand. And like I said, you don't want to wonder what if and stuff. And like I said, go to the store, just be safe. Go get a couple of cases of water, get some canned foods, get some oatmeal, things that won't expire on you, that if for some reason it got out of hand in your area, at least you can stay home knowing you have all the essentials that you need. Okay. That's serious talk. I know sometimes I goof around a lot and tell jokes, but it doesn't hurt to be prepared. If at the end it was a big joke and nothing happened, it's okay. It's food. You could still consume it, right? It's not a big deal. It's not like you bought something like massive. You're just preparing for the worst case scenario. So in the meantime, let's learn how to do direct mail. Let's learn how to do a little bit of email marketing. Let's make some money in the mailbox. All right. Nicholas Lyle, Dallas, Texas. Take care. I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.